Hello, my name's Hayley, and I work for Little Scientists Australia. I'm not wearing the shirt today, so you can't really tell easily. And today I'm here to talk to you about chemistry and cabbage. So when we dyed the Easter eggs in another video, I had some red cabbage juice left over, and trust me, it smells very cabbagey. Okay, and it's this beautiful purple color. I'm not sure it comes across on camera, but because I'm wearing my jumper, you can see it's the same color. Okay, and we use the red cabbage to dye our Easter eggs, but we put a little couple of spoonfuls of vinegar in just to see what would happen, and we had a color change. So then we decided we were going to use our red cabbage to test some other substances around the house and see what sort of colors come out of that. Now my red cabbage juice is white, as you can probably see. It's actually quite concentrated. You can dilute it a bit, and I'm going to dilute it simply so that you can see it better on camera. There we are. Now the red cabbagey smell really is quite strong. Here we go. And the substances I'm going to test today can all be found in your cupboard. Now, don't worry if you haven't got them all. They're all listed in the PDF that goes along with this video that's available on our website. And there's quite a few other videos there as well. Okay, so the first substance we're going to test is baking powder. I'm going to put a spoonful of baking powder in my first glass and give a stir, and let's see what happens. Not much happening there. A slight colour change, if you can see, with the one next to it. And a nice way to do this is to sort of hold it up with something white in the background, and then you'll be able to see the colour change a little bit better. We're going to go straight for baking soda now. So I've got my baking soda here. Bicarb soda or bicarbonate of soda. It's got a dark purple colour. I've got some salt here. See whether that makes a difference. What do you think is going to happen? Now, you can try to use the same amount of substance if you're going to try and be a bit more scientific than I'm being right now on camera. You can change, you can try and if you look at those two against my control, that's not really, I don't think there's any colour change there. So I don't think that's reactive. But look at our bicarb, that's really made a difference. Try to get to the same amount. I really should be using a teaspoon of substance that I'm testing in each. So this is cream of tartar. Oh, and that's given us a beautiful pink colour. We're going to try citric acid. Now I use citric acid all the time if I don't have any lemons to hand when I make scones. And there's a scone recipe, which is a nice extension of this activity on our website as well. Okay, so you might be able to find that, and maybe we'll link to that. Okay, here we go. Putting our citric acid in. Wow, that's given me a very big colour change. Look at that one. So if we line these up in order of the different colours, let's put the bicarb over that there. There we have our baking powder. And that one was our salt, which didn't really do very much. And then we have our cream of tartar and our citric acid. Okay, not sure how I can get all of these in the picture, but we can give it a go. There we are, cream tartar. And you can see the different colours down there. We're trying to do a little bit of a rainbow effect here. What you also might like to do at the end, I've got a nice glass here. I'm going to put some bicarbonate of soda. I'm going to put some, which remember gave me that nice green, dark green colour. And I'm going to put some citric acid in, powder in, which gave me that lovely pink colour here. I'm going to add my solution and see what happens. Okay, now I'm using this nice coloured red cabbage juice. Okay, but you could use plain water. I'm doing it with coloured water, with this red cabbage juice, so we can see the colour changes, but also so you can see easily on camera. Here we go. There we go. The dark green and a powder that gave me the light pink, reddy colour, mixed together, fizzes up beautifully. Now, I would love to see what you come up with. There's all sorts of different things that you could test at home. I am also planning on using lemon juice and vinegar, and seeing what sort of reaction they give me as well. And I might even try a very dilute, maybe floor cleaner, or something like that to see what happens as well. Okay, let me know how you get on. You can always put a message for me on our Facebook, or you can email us, and we'd love to hear your results.